Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn Webflow tutorial for beginners, your first page, and basic elements. Now, let's dive into the world of Webflow, a powerful tool that makes website creation accessible to everyone, regardless of their coding skills or technical expertise. In today's digital age, having a website is not just an option, but a necessity for personal branding, businesses, and creative portfolios. Yet the technical barriers of coding have traditionally been a stumbling block for many aspiring web creators. That's where Webflow steps in. It bridges this gap with a user-friendly interface that makes designing, building, and launching a custom website as easy as dragging and dropping elements on a page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your first web page with basic elements, even if you've never written a single line of code before. Let's start by understanding what Webflow is and why it matters. Webflow is an all-in-one platform that combines the functionalities of a visual design tool and a robust content management system. It empowers you to design visually while simultaneously generating clean and efficient code in the background. This means you can focus on creativity and design without worrying about the complexities of coding. For beginners, this ability to create professional websites without coding knowledge is a game changer. Imagine being able to design your dream website, see it come to life in real time, and have it ready to launch, all without dealing with the technicalities of HTML or JavaScript. That's the opportunity Webflow offers. Now, let's get started with your first Webflow project. The journey begins with creating an account. This simple step is your gateway to exploring the vast possibilities of web design with Webflow. When you sign up, you'll need to decide the purpose of your website. This decision helps tailor your Webflow experience to suit your needs. For instance, if you're creating a personal blog or a portfolio, Webflow provides you with the tools needed to enhance your online presence and showcase your work effectively. Once your account is set up, the real fun begins. Webflow offers you the choice of starting with a blank canvas or using pre-designed templates. For beginners, templates are a fantastic way to explore Webflow's capabilities without feeling overwhelmed. They provide a solid foundation that you can customize according to your vision. Choose a template that resonates with your style and give your website a name that reflects its purpose. Naming your website is more than just a formality. It sets the tone for your entire project and helps you stay focused on your goals. Now that you've got your template, let's explore the Webflow interface. You'll find a plus sign that opens a world of possibilities. This is where you can add various elements to your page. Elements are the building blocks of your website, and understanding them is crucial for creating a well-structured and visually appealing site. Let's break down some of the basic elements you'll be working with. 1. Sections. Sections are like the backbone of your web page. They help you organize your content into meaningful segments. Each section spans the full width of the web page, providing a clean and structured layout. Imagine a section as a container that holds related content together, making it easier for visitors to navigate and understand your site. 2. Containers. Containers are like the supportive framework within sections. They keep your content centered and maintain its legibility across different devices and screen sizes. By using containers, you ensure that your website looks polished and professional, regardless of how it's accessed. 3. Text elements. Words are powerful, and Webflow gives you the tools to express your message clearly. You can add headings and paragraphs to convey your content effectively. Headings help structure your content and make it easier to digest, while paragraphs provide detailed information and engage your audience. 4. Form blocks. Interaction is key to a successful website, and form blocks enable you to create interactive elements like buttons. These can be used for various purposes, such as navigating to different sections of your site or submitting contact information. Form blocks enhance user engagement and make your website more dynamic. As you familiarize yourself with these elements, you'll find that Webflow's drag-and-drop functionality makes designing your page intuitive and enjoyable. The visual design process allows you to see your changes in real time, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring your design aligns with your vision. One of Webflow's standout features is its responsive design capabilities. In today's multi-device world, your website needs to look great on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Responsive design ensures that your site automatically adapts to different screen sizes and orientations. Webflow achieves this through the concept of box models. Think of every element on your site as a box, each with its own dimensions and properties. This box model structure allows for consistent and flexible design across various devices. Let's explore a practical scenario to solidify your understanding. Imagine you're designing a portfolio website. You want to showcase your work in a visually appealing manner while ensuring easy navigation for visitors. Start by creating sections for different categories such as photography, design, and illustration. Within each section, use containers to center your images and text. Add headings to introduce each category, and paragraphs to provide context and detail. Incorporate form blocks with buttons that link to detailed project pages or external sites. As you design your portfolio, keep in mind some common pitfalls and best practices. One mistake beginners often make is overcrowding their pages with too much information. Remember, simplicity is key. Focus on highlighting your best work and providing a clean and uncluttered user experience. Additionally, consistency in design elements, such as font choices and color schemes, enhances the overall aesthetic and professionalism of your site. Now, let's dive into some troubleshooting tips. If you notice that your elements aren't aligning as expected, check the padding and margin settings. These tools adjust the spacing around elements, allowing you to fine-tune their placement. If your text appears too small or difficult to read, experiment with font sizes and weights to achieve the desired look. Webflow offers a wide range of customization options, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment. Before we wrap up, let's summarize what we've covered. Today, you've learned how to create your first web page using Webflow, a powerful platform that empowers beginners to design professional websites without coding knowledge. You've explored essential elements like sections, containers, text elements, and form blocks, gaining a solid foundation in web design. You've also discovered the importance of responsive design and how Webflow's box model structure facilitates consistent and flexible layouts across devices. Remember, Webflow's intuitive interface and drag-and-drop functionality make it an accessible and enjoyable tool for beginners and experienced designers alike. Whether you're building a personal blog, a business website, or a creative portfolio, Webflow equips you with the tools to bring your vision to life. That's it for this tutorial on Webflow Tutorial for Beginners, your first page and basic elements. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.